Okay, so this is exercise 3C question 2. Two buildings are 25 meters apart. There's a cable of length 62.3 meters that links the top of the two buildings. If the taller building is 200 meters, how tall is the shorter building? Okay, so I would draw a diagram first of all, showing this before starting to calculate. So here's my two buildings. There's one, and then there's a taller one here. And then there's a cable that attaches both of those buildings, like from the top of one to the top of the other. So there's the cable. And it says the cable is 62.3 meters. Okay. And then the distance between the two buildings, so that distance there is 25 meters because they're 25 meters apart. And then we know the height of the taller building, so we know that that is 200 meters. Okay, so it's not obvious right away where your right angle triangle is, but what you have to kind of see is that if you put a line in here, that's obviously 25 meters, because the distance between the two buildings doesn't change if it's at the bottom or at the top. So then hopefully you can see a right angle here. And then if I work out this side, then I can work out like the difference between the height of the taller building and the shorter building, and then I can work out the shorter building. Okay, so I'm going to just use Pythagoras theorem to work out this side here. So because that's a shorter side, I need to do the hypotenuse squared, 62.3 squared, minus the other side squared to find, I'll call that unknown value there, x. Okay, so just go ahead and do the working out for that on the calculator. Okay, so I've just done the working out here quickly, just in case you already know how to do it, but 62.3 squared is 3,881.29 minus 625, which was 25 squared. Subtract those two numbers to get 3,256.29, and then take the square root of that to solve for x. So you end up with x being 57.1. So basically that's the difference between the height in the taller building and the shorter building. So if the taller building is 200 meters, then I just need to take away 57.1 to work out the height of the shorter building, which is 142.9 meters.